Morning all, here we are at Lincoln Volkswagen. Look, up there, look, Lincoln Volkswagen. So what I'm going to show you today is we've got some mad sale, some epic sale of some really good discounts, some really good cars. And did you know it was September, so we've got new registrations as well. So it is 75 now, 75 plates. And I'm going to show you a few as well. And you get to see my little microphone. Oh, how cool is that? I'm going to show you a few as well. So, all these cars ready to deliver behind me. And we are going to go into the showroom as well. So I just want to show you a quick little glimpse on the pitch of some epic deals. Come and see me. And if I'm not here, unfortunate, I've gone home. Mechanics have home times too. Anyway, you will find some of the amazing people inside the workshop, inside the showroom, which I'm going to show you. It's just behind me there on this site. So we have loads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera around now, do your little tour of just what we've got going on, what we've got physical stock ready to go. Used cars are all MOT'd, ready to go. New cars, let's go. 75 plate. Anyway, let's spin you around and show you what. So as you come into Lincoln Volkswagen, you will see a nice little green sign there. 75 new reg. Time for something new. You can order yours today, but we do have physical stock as well, guys. And we'll give you a little tour. A little buzz bus there. They're cool. They are cool. I do like them. In your colours, green as well. But again, you can order buzz buses. Again, Volkswagen's latest addition to the electric camper van. So again, welcome to the pitch. We'll see all our stuff here. And we have all of that. Quick flip round. And we have all of that. All from your small cars, such as your Polos, right the way through to Touareg. And we go all the way down there too. We do have some vehicles that are non-franchise, so non-Volkswagens. Just at that part of the pitch down there. But we'll have a little tour inside, because there's some very special cars. There's one you're going to get greeted with straight away, which I think was quite nice. I had a little play with this one yesterday. So again, more physical cars, all ready to go. See, look, no plates. There's your 75 Regis right there. So we'll go under the arches, the big VW badge, and you may see some salesmen that you can come and speak to today. So there's Dan doing his thing. This is a beautiful example of a Golf R. We'll get you backwards on here, lot. That is a car and a half in it. So it's just one of the cars in the showroom that you can buy. Obviously have a little bit of fun in, because look at the size of them wheels. They're bigger than your dinner plate. There you go. That looks like something special, doesn't it? Anyway, that is the latest Golf R. So we're going to roam around the workshop. Showroom. There's Dan doing his thing. It's quiet today, so you guys are going to make it busier. New Tiguan. New Tayron, sorry, that's me. It's a Tayron. So you've not seen a Tayron. I can do more videos on that. We have a showroom full of cars you can order. Again, accessories, bike racks, bikes. The Volkswagen bike up there as well, guys. Get yourself in here. Come and see the latest stock. And then in a year's time, when your car needs a service, you get to come and see the service team, which I'm part of. And we'll look after you from there on out. So, guys, 2 seconds. I'll flip the camera around. Back in the showroom now. It's warmer in here. Cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, right? And there is a nice little coffee machine over there as well. But I'll let your imagination do the talking on that one. Again, cars behind me, accessories up there. So this is going to round up this video. So come and see us for this massive event, where you'll be surprised just how much you can save on a brand new car. And enjoy the free coffee. Till then, guys, see you in a bit.